Y'all don't mind my ghetto nail, okay? It's quarantine, and I have to go get my nails done in my living room when I have time. Hey, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crown Vick, and today this video is going to be a little bit different. We're doing an entrepreneur life series because I decided to open up my own business. As you guys know, I have a dog business called Roxy's Canine Couture, where me and my mother make dog bow ties, bandanas, and different accessories, but it's not really my passion. I was doing it and I was getting unmotivated, uninspired, and I couldn't leap up off that little hump we're having because I did it to support her. So I was thinking, like, I have my own passions and stuff and I can do both. Like, let me try and take that next step to follow what I like, what I want to sell, and ultimately what my dream is. My dream is to open up my own beauty store. So Kiara, can you stop? My cat's messing with this thing I'm supposed to return at the store in a bag. Okay, but yeah, so I just decided to do this series, and today's a mini haul for it. So let's get started before I start rambling along, so I can ramble and open up the stuff. So my inventory haul. So this I got, and I didn't know what it was because I'm like, what is at my door? And I was like, I want to not open it for my inventory haul that I'm gonna do. So I was like, okay, I wanted to know what it was. I was like, has my name on it, and it's my TKB stuff. If you guys don't know, TKB has different beauty products for soaps, lipstick, lip gloss, eyeshadow, stuff like that, so you can make your own. And what I got from TKB, just to start off, I got some lip gloss base. It's the small one, the 5.5 ounces. And then they put something else in here that I got. I got the white liquid, the 2-ounce white liquid. I felt like it was cheaper to get the bigger one because I think it was less than an ounce. And I forgot how much this was. Does it have a slip in here? Yeah, it has a slip in here. Okay, so this doesn't say the price, but it's probably like $2 or $3 for a 2-ounce. So I thought it was worth it because if you want to lighten your different pigments, I'll probably use this for more than one pigment if I want it to be lighter. And I got a couple of colors. I got some hollow glitter. I got a couple of different samples. Can you stop? So I got light pink, I got dark pink, and it's a pink glitter. I got like a peachy one. I got a gold one. I got a super pink one, like super pink one. Yeah, and I got another gold one. I got a dark brown one, and I got a coral one. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different colors that I'm gonna play with. See which ones I like, I'm gonna sell. I got all these colors from TKB. It took a while to come in, probably like 2 weeks or something. And with everything going on, I didn't want to be too discouraged about opening my own business. And I was like, should I do it and should I not? And I was like, why not? Like, I have all this time on my hands and people are still shopping, you know? And instead of shopping for myself and spending all this money, I'm like, why don't I take this check that I'm getting for free to open up my own business? So why not? Like, why not do that? So I've been thinking about it for a long time. It's not like I just sprung up and was like, oh, let me do this. Like, it was a while. And I just want to encourage people that are thinking about doing their own business to just go ahead and do it. You know, take a leap of faith. You only live once. If you want to be an entrepreneur and you want to have your own business, set your own hours, be your own boss, it's not going to be easy, but it will be worth it in the end. Everyone's like, oh, you shouldn't do lip gloss. Not everyone, but I watch other YouTubers about lip gloss, and they're like, oh, you shouldn't do it, yada yada, or it's so saturated. But it's like, there's money out there for everybody. There's so many people in the world that want to buy lip gloss, and you're gonna get your own customers, and your own customer like that your lip gloss, they like your mix or your colors or your personality. They'll like you. And so maybe someone else that's selling lip gloss, they like your brand, your look, and they relate to you from what your brand is. If you're girly, if you're tomboyish, if you like anime, or you like butterflies, XYZ, whatever that case may be, they'll fall in love with your brand. So just think about it. Okay, so I have these cute pink. I'll open it. Cute pink one. See how it looks. I got this from Amazon. I got these for samples, like if they want to sample the lip gloss without buying it. These are pretty cute, nice size samples. And I think it comes with stickers. I didn't even know it came with stickers. Oh wow. It has their brand on it, their brand name on it. I don't think I would want their brand name on it. I might erase that, or like put like a Sharpie. Is that ghetto? Whatever. So this is cute. And the brand I bought this from is not the brand on here, so they got it cheaper from somewhere. And that's a good thing too, that's a good tip. So if I bought it from Amazon, from this company, from another company, this means this person sells it for probably cheaper. So I'll look at their stuff first. Okay, this. Oh, I know what this is. Nothing too exciting in this one. My syringes. I got 200 milliliter ones. 200 milliliter ones. I watched other people make lip gloss and they're saying the small ones are so annoying when you're trying to fill multiple. And I didn't get a lot. I think I got 50. Well, let's open one of the boxes now. I think I got 50. So I don't know how many I'm gonna be filling at one time in one color. I have to wash it, but I have 2. I have 2, so. And then when I make more, I believe that's a good size. So I don't want to buy a small one and have to buy a big one after that. That's wasting money. Gotta think ahead. Did I wear glasses in my last thing? No, I didn't wear glasses, but I can see better anyway, so. I don't know if I wore glasses in the last clip. Ooh. I love opening boxes. It's like Christmas for yourself. Okay, what's in here? Okay, my oil. I got this for the lip gloss, and I also got it for my hair. So I got the big one. I'm gonna do some I have a surprise for you guys. I'm gonna do some hair and body lotion or butter. So I got this. I don't know if castor oil will go in that because maybe your hair on your body will grow. I don't know. But I got this castor oil. Let's see if she'll get scared. She didn't get that scared. Okay. Okay, let's open up this small one. Let's see what this is. Oh yeah. Okay, here are my. This was $12, and I think I got the fruit one. It's the fruit by Laura Ann's. I got it here. Laura Ann's oils. I got. This is pretty far away, but I have to get all my boxes in the picture. Whatever. So I got apple, cherry, grape, strawberry, orange, and watermelon. $12 for all these flavors. I didn't know what flavor I wanted to get. So, and then on Amazon, if you want just one, I think it's like $12 or $10. And it comes pretty big, but this one you get to sample and see which ones you wanna see, what flavors you get. Why are you tripping? I think she's happy I'm finally home. I think I know what these are. I believe I know what these are. Yep. Whoa. They didn't put it in plastic. They just threw it in here in a paper. This is so ghetto. Look at how ghetto this is. I'm gonna count how many oils I have in here too. Okay. Look how ghetto this is. This was $17. This is so ghetto. Okay, Mrs. What's her name? It's All Sweet. I got the 10-pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god. I can't count it. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, I got the 10-pack, the fruit flavor one. Do I have any repeats? Okay, so I have, yeah, I remember why I got this one. Because I wanted the, I wanted these certain flavors. Are these the same size? Yeah, these are the same size. So I got tangerine, tropical punch. I have something in store for this one. Tropical punches. I really wanted this one because I had tropical punch. Mango, I think it's awesome. I love the flavor. Peach, coconut, and pineapple. So these are the flavors or why I got this. Coconut and pineapple and tropical punch. The other ones are just a bonus, like mango and peach. Lime, pretty good. That's, ooh, I got one for this one. Strawberry kiwi. I have a couple flavors in mind, like, you'll see the theme I'm launching. You'll see. But I'm not sure, but let me not say nothing because I'm not sure if I want to do that. Melon and pomegranate. Pomegranate wasn't too excited about. Oh, Amazon have this thing for this. Do you guys think the big box is the best one? Usually smaller boxes are the best. Oh, my tubes. Okay, so I got some regular tubes. I believe they're 8. Excuse me. I believe they're 8 ounces. Let me see. Yeah, they're 8 ounces. I got 50 for 8 ounces. Just to start off with these other, I don't know. The vendors I was talking to is just, I don't know, guys. This was just too much. I was trying to get like less than 100 just to start off with tubes, and they're talking about like $400, $300 just to ship it from China. I'm like, yo, that's too much. $200 when I could go on Amazon for like 18. That was doing way too much. Talking about shipping is really high right now. Okay, well keep that shit because I'm not buying it. Like $200. Freaking crazy. So I think because I'm on Alibaba, and that's a place where you have to buy like large quantities. Like they're asking for 10,000, 1,000 at one time. Some are even 12,000, like the ones I really wanted. And some lip gloss tubes are only 3 ounces. And I'm like, what a waste. I'm gonna spend all this money on this tube, and you guys are barely gonna get any lip gloss. But I mean, you just gotta keep going. There's a reason why I didn't buy it. Why am I opening boxes all dumb? Okay, let me open it. Maybe because I have nails on. It's like every time I put nails on, I just don't know. I can't do anything. Oh, I opened it and slid it too. Oh, okay, good. I thought I slid into the product. I was about to say, yo, because something popped. Thank God for bubble wrap. Oh, okay. So I got these bubble mailers. They're pretty small. Ooh, and I did not order from this. I love this because sometimes when you order from Amazon, they don't take the other company's, the company they got it from out. So this is Fluctuary. And then you get a coupon in the back. It says free product or a discount code. It says, and then you get a discount code in the back if you scan it, but it's by Fluctuary. And yeah, so I got pink ones because my colors are, I mean, I love pink and yeah, whatever. Everyone's color is pink, but my colors are pink, gold, and white. Some of those pretty cute. And more black, obviously you need black writing on some stuff. But yeah, I feel like I could fit a couple lip glosses in here. I think it's the perfect size. And if someone orders something big, I can just order it on Amazon real quick. But I just got the small ones for now. And I wanted a furry bag. What size did I get? Oh, I got a 5x7. These are pretty big. I'm like, yo, these are huge. I might have to return this. These are too big. These are way too big, but I got these light pink bags. I mean, I guess these are fine. These are fine. Yeah, I'm not gonna return them just in case someone buys more than one, but I'll probably get a smaller one. It was either a 6x4 or a 7x5, so I just got 7x5. It's only an inch difference each way, so I was like, it's only an inch, so no biggie. That's what I got, and that's it. That went by so fast. I mean, yeah, it kind of didn't go by so fast. So I just have lip glosses, and there's other things I bought before this. Ouch. If you guys want to see, stay tuned. So I'm gonna go grab those things real quick. I got the almond oil that came in way before this one for some reason. So I got those two oils, almond oil. I got grapeseed oil. It is 3 pints and 3 ounces, or 51 fluid ounces, or 1.5 liters. I should have read that first. But anyway, I got this from Walmart, and this was only $7 at Walmart. So if you guys need grapeseed oil, I also use that for my hair as well. And I'm gonna try it in some lip glosses and see what oils I like best. It's all about trial and error. And in this, I have a project that I did. I don't know if I should show you guys. Okay, I'll just show you guys. But here are my lip scrubs. I feel like some people have those tiny lip scrubs. I'm like, yo, because if I put my finger in there, I'm gonna put my finger deep to get this lip scrub. So this will last you a cool, probably like a month, 2 months, depending on how many times you use it. And other people be having those small ones like this. They're like this size for lip scrubs. And I'm like, that's too small. And some people's be so big. I'm like, dang, no one's ever gonna buy it again. But yeah, I was thinking about this. And also, if you could buy a refill on my site. So if you want to keep your container, I'll just sell the lip scrubs cheaper, and you guys can just refill it yourself. But I mean, if you want a whole bunch of these, then I mean, do what you do. But they're super cute, and they come with a pop lid. So cute. And don't worry, guys, she does not touch the lip gloss stuff. All this stuff is still in plastic. She can't get to it. If you guys are allergic or something like that, definitely won't be making it in her area. Wherever her area in my room is her area, definitely won't be making them in here. You know, definitely have to be sanitized in the sanitized area. Thank you guys so much for watching my inventory haul that I wanted to show you guys and introduce my new business. If you guys can please check out my main IG and my business IG down below. My IG is __crownvick__. My business one is Crown Vick Beauty. People to comment down below. I'll shout out your business in my next post. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys soon with my next upload. If you'd like to see how I did this hair wrap, video in the cards. All right, you guys, have a blessed day. Have a blessed day or night, and Royal Court. Thanks for tuning in. Bye. Kiara, say bye. Bye. Oh, stop being a butthead.